What's going on, guys? My name is Ben. How are you guys doing today? And what I have for you today in this video is an app review, which is nothing but known as Google Chrome for iPhone and iPod Touch. So first of all, we all know Google Chrome. We've all used it. It's basically a web browser for your mobile devices, but however, Google is known for having a great browser for the desktop as well. You go onto the internet, you download Google Chrome and put it on your desktop, and it's relatively fast. What I love about Google Chrome is that it's instant on. Like as soon as you boot it up, it immediately pops up. Google Chrome is that fast on the desktop. As far as on the mobile devices, it's pretty fast too. So now let's get on to the review of Google Chrome. So when you load up your app for the first time, you are going to be greeted with this kind of page. And of course, you actually have 3 pages over here. You can either click on them, or all you have to do is scroll to the direction that you want to go. Okay, so what you have over here is your back button. You have your URL or search box right there. You have this button right here, and you have your different options. You can either favorite or bookmark a page. You can revert, like you could basically refresh the page. New tab, new incognito tab, bookmarks, other devices, settings, help, and let's take a look at the settings right here. So settings, sign into Chrome search engine. You can change your different search engines if you want to. Save passwords, voice search, all that good stuff. And new incognito tab, and this is basically a special tab. Now with this tab, like it's not gonna, whatever you search in this tab, it won't appear in your history, so it's not gonna leave any cookies, as you can see from the description right here. It just like won't leave you a bunch of stuff. Alright. And of course right here you have your different tabs, and you have another tab open. You can view your different tabs as well, and then you can go on to whichever one you like, or you can actually take your finger, make sure you're at the edge of the screen, and just swipe either to the left to change your tab. As you can see, and then of course you can tap on these 3 pages if you want to, and you can sign into your Google account if you want to. So let's take a look at the page, for example. So I'm just gonna go on to google.com. Okay, so we got google.com right here, and let's search, I don't know, iPhone. Okay, and as you can see, it loads up the page relatively quick. One thing that you don't get with this application is continuous scrolling, so you have to keep scrolling. It's kind of like mobile Safari. I would have preferred continuous scrolling, but that's not going to bother me too much. As you can see here, however, scrolling is very smooth and very fluid. Alright, and we can jump into our other page here. Let's actually go onto Apple's website. Actually, go to bookmarks, mobile bookmarks, Apple. And of course, I can switch between different tabs if I wanted to. So on and so forth. Pinching and zooming works well. You know, the traditional pinching and zooming that we've all known for. And of course, you can go back as well. And if you want to X out a tab, like close a tab, you just push that button and hit the X mark, and your tab is closed out. And of course, you want to close them all out, go ahead, just do that, and you just hit this to get a new tab open. Now, I never signed this application into my Google account, but I just don't plan on doing that. But overall, what do I think about Google Chrome? I actually do love the mobile browser of Google Chrome for iOS devices. Previously, I was an Opera Mini user, but I will be switching into Google Chrome because I just felt that this is very fluid. One drawback, as I said before, was that it doesn't have continuous scrolling. I really would have liked continuous scrolling, because that just makes me proceed on faster, which is what I try to do every day. But it doesn't really matter to me because I mean, what I love about this mobile browser is just the user interface itself. It just looks very slick, and I love the way of how you can do all these different gestures to get into different places. Like different tabs and all that stuff. So there will be a link in the description below if you guys want to download it. This is a free download. So go ahead and download it from the App Store. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. You have a good day now and take care.